Hello everybody, welcome back to Portal Knights. We are back with Jeff Jefferson, I remembered his name. Well, I had to look up I looked up his name when I came back in. Anywho, not important. And farmed some of the materials that we need off camera. I think there's still a few more we need, but like we'll get into that when we get into that. For now, we can craft these two pieces, I believe, is what we were missing. Yep. Yes. Okay. So headpiece, craft it up. Nope. 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 Oops. That's okay. We just need another verdant. Can we like break this back down? Okay. The armor. Oh fuck, badass. We need another cut verdant here, and I think that's in this one. Was it verdant? We first mess up. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it's cut verdant. I think we have some verdant in here. Yeah, we're getting low, but we have some. So don't fuck up again. This one is almost needed. Okay. Gloves. There we go. Alright, equip those. Let's see, we got health regen, health, brewery, which we don't really need. Health regen, alright, not bad. Alright, you get it all together, that's looking pretty fucking sick, not gonna lie. Jeff is an animal. Alright, now we kind of wasted some iron, but that's fine. You know, shit happens. Whoop. These we need to sell, but we can deal with that later. Now we need to upgrade some of these tools. The important ones first, like the pick and the drill. And resource scanner isn't bad. I don't really use that though. But we might need it. We might need it. Oh, I'll probably make it if we got the mats left over. How many? 10. We need 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we can make that. We need quartz. I don't know if I possess the said materials. But let's move these out for their replacements. Very nice. Let's pop these over here for consistency's sake. We can put the verdant back. Oh yeah, we got fucking quartz at the yin yang. Perfect. I think that's made here, right? Yeah. We need 6? I think it said we need 6. That's also here. Oh no, we need to cut. That's on the other one. But yeah, 6. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, we can go put that shit back. Alright, let's see what else we got. Lumen in here. I don't think we'll need any more of that. I think I was keeping that up in here. Probably put the coal in the bag. I need that. A little bit of that. And bingo. Alright, let's make that shit. Mining claw. Lumberjack. Axe. And resource. Perfect. Did I upgrade shit? Okay, yeah, we upgraded the anvil, we upgraded the workbench, we upgraded the rogue station, the archer station, the furnace, the alchemy table, the altar, and the draft table. Yeah, we upgraded everything. We good. We good on that. Good. Let's look at our new stuffs. We'll put this bad boy down here. Claw replace. Alright, we need to sell that shit. Which reminds me, we need to steal somebody and bring them here eventually, but for now, it's okay. I did that on my other game, which, speaking of which, I have actually now beaten this game. I did take on the final boss. Got to level 29, explored every single area in this plane. I've explored every single place on this map and started looking at the rifts and stuff. I think I got these ones opened up. Yeah, and these two opened up. I have everything except for this one, which is the high rift, I believe. So the rifts are pretty cool. Not gonna lie, the rifts are pretty cool. Still don't have this stuff, but you know, it is what it is. So I've explored everywhere there's explored. And these places that are hiding out over here, I found out, like over here, are just blank worlds for creating. These ones over here are just blank worlds for creating. And these ones over... Where's the final boss? Okay, these are the final boss. So I already talked about those. So I think it's these ones. Yeah, these ones up here are just blank worlds for creating or something like that. So there's at least 15 areas that are just blank worlds that don't actually have anything in them. They're just one of each type of location for creating building and stuff, which I might get into that someday. I might not. I honestly don't know. We need to get one more level before we can switch our weapon, which is fine. We need to find, is there anybody that we can like hijack? Ooh, we could take Shelton if we truly wanted to. This island merchant here is one of the people that sells the open world deeds. Just throwing that out there. We'll find the perfect person to steal one day, and then we'll bring him over. But for now, we'll just travel here and sell some shit. It's not too far away. I also worked on my mic. I turned my mic volume down on the PS4 so that's loud enough to hear me and cut through the game, but not so that just my breathing is buffeting the mic, because that's really fucking annoying and frustrating, and I understand that, and I apologize. You know, the PlayStation's a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Sensitive. Like, you know, it doesn't want to be too loud for you to hear them, but like, for you to hear, like, the volume isn't like that great, but you can't have it too high, because otherwise it will buffet everything, and it's just as annoying as it possibly can be. So, you know, what are you gonna do? Don't need. Do need. Okay. Awesome. So now that that's all sold, we can head back to our land. I don't know if we have enough to make another chest. I'm hoping that we do, because there's a few more things I would like to drop off. But we'll see what happens. Personally, we will just see what happens. I'd also love to show you my other place again sometime, because it just has so many just trophies and random things I've collected from playing the game just lying around. It's fucking hilarious, and I love it. 3 might be enough for level 2. It is! Let's make it. Cool. Just go straight down, why not? Alright, we're gonna put that right. Yeah, I'll put that right there. Awesome. Kind of want to like move this shit around, but like don't know how at the moment. We could get rid of some of these. Sand block, wood block. Is this a seed? No, it's different. We'll just put these in here. Alright. And in here, we can dump these. Perfect. I love it. Beautiful. Wonderbar. Fantastic. Alright, let's get back into this game now that we got everything that we need to upgrade, at least for the time being. We do need to grab a bit more iron if we see it. Because we're almost done with our iron requirements, but we could use to have a little bit more. We do need 2 pieces for that, which I think we have. I think we just put away. We do need winter fur, but that's it's easy to find on the monkeys, I believe. Okay, we have 1 bar, so we do at least need more from 1 bar. Anywho, I think we're not going to a winter place. Yeah, I think that's this area is a winter place, but we're gonna hold off on that. Alright. Yeah, let's go up to these 2 areas. Both of them, yeah, portal connected. Yeah, let's go to this place. This place looks good. The Hava. Is this the pirate place? Where you get the pirate degree that I have hanging up on my wall in the other universe I created? We need to fight shit. We definitely need a bunch of yellow shards, because we're gonna need to open a bunch of portals, and we need to level up and whatnot. So we definitely need to be fighting stuff on our way to these locations. I'm kind of excited to see what happens with the late game armor for the warrior. I've seen kind of what it looks like, but I'm not 100% positive what it looks like. What materials can I expect to find here? No iron, so we don't need to look for that. That guy's gonna make me build him pants, isn't he? We have a lot of this shit. We are kind of low on palm. That is something I need to keep in mind. Let's bring out the hatchet. Oops, right over here. And I haven't used the other stuff, so we could definitely try to figure out what's up with that. There's palm. Yeah, a bunch of palm. Because that makes the linen cloth, I believe. Or something like that. That's pretty useful. That's some decent palm action right there. Trash these. I hate looking at them. Some more amber, never hurt nobody. Some more wood, never hurt nobody. Yeah, what does this look like when we use it? I assume it's the same as the other one. Oh! Okay, let's finish this guy off real fast. Hey, how dare you, sir? Come here, parrot. I'm just gonna go on a fucking rampage. Take everyone out. Zap scroll? Yes. Okay. So clearly it's zooming in. So if we mine this, mine all that we can see, son of a bitch. Alright, then we bring it back here. So if we dig, oop, wrong buttons, wrong buttons. So if we dig in here. This is telling me this direction. How about now? This way. Okay. Ah! There's some. Okay. That's not horrible. I'm about to fall off into the abyss, but it ain't horrible. Awesome. Okay. Oops, I cannot double jump. I can't even double jump on my Huntress now, or my Ranger now, but that's another story for another day. Alright. You want pants? You always want pants, man. Drive me crazy with that pants shit. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I'll get you your pants. Beastmaster leg braces. I think I need bones for those ones, which I should have. Hold on. Oh, fuck you up. Fuck you up. Nice. Pieces. We're rolling with a good chunk of pieces. Just 3 more blocks. I love it. I think I see... Nope, these are scales. Not, Oh no, that's fair. That's fair. I need to kill this motherfucker first. No, he's gonna do it. Because I don't want him to switch, I don't want to switch any of these monkeys to, Hollow Knights, so... I need their fur. Yeah, there's some winter fur. Exactly what I need to build my weapon. Nice. Alright, we got the fur we need. More chunks, more pieces. I don't really need this many eggs, but that's fine. What time we got? We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I don't. Yeah, put this right here. Right here. There we go. Perfect. I did say we need to fight, right? We're trying to look for any other peoples around here too, so that's something to keep in mind. Oh, well. Start fucking these guys up. My awesome power of killing. I do have an awesome killing power, I ain't gonna lie. God, that health regen is stupid, man. That is a stupid amount of health regen. What the actual fuck? That's crazy, man. That's fucking crazy. I've also seen the last of the, hello. It doesn't look like you need anything. Okay. You do you, man. Yeah, I've seen the last couple spells for the warrior, and I don't think they're that great either. So that kind of sucks, but I think there's only 2 other spells that we don't have. I think one of them we've seen, one of them we haven't, or something like that. I don't know 100% positive. But they weren't very impressive. They're all just shouts. There's no like really cool other abilities like the jump or anything. You know, it's kind of sad, but it is what it is. Oopsie poopsie. This direction. Hey, we found people, but I guess no. I guess they didn't have any other quests for me. That's right. I also need to mix the stuff together to create that person's wand. Forgot about that. That was the thing I was gonna do. Which I think we have the flammable, or the fire liquid stuff. Okay, that was you. Apparently we found someone else. But we were headed towards this location. Yeah. Just trying to find access into something. Oh, I guess I was heading this way. Ah, this direction. Right. Then we fell to our death. Right. Of course. Yes, obviously. I don't want to fight the parrot. They just drop eggs. I don't need no eggs. Okay. Not to our death this time. Okay, we good. We good. Perfect. We're getting tons of shards. I love it. I guess we just stopped fighting stuff. Hello! Yeah, I guess we just stopped fighting things. On my other character, I was just like, I don't want to fight shit. So I just didn't get enough shards, or just really you need that many stone stuff, you know? Who knows? Wow, that's a lot. 24, nice. I can open 4 portals, so yeah, we just need to constantly be fighting shit, I guess. Let us find what is down here in the depths. Not a lot can challenge us, I'm noticing. So we just kind of walk at them and just attack them and let them do whatever they want to us. It's, you know, not gonna lie, kind of awesome, kind of fucking ridiculous at the same time. It's a nice feeling though. I don't know how we're gonna be able to deal with the final person without more movement speed, but because the rangers have so much built-in movement speed. I think she has like 16% increased movement speed. Or like now up to like 26. It's ridiculous. So yeah, she just moves pretty fast. So I hope the jump is going to be the jump should be very useful to us on getting the achievement for the final boss. But I already frog. I want the frog. Fucking frog. Release the frog. Yes, got frog. Hell yeah. Anything else here? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm noticing the difference too. Like he moves a lot slower than my ranger does. That's okay. No big deal. Okay, I don't know if we can get out of this for the location that we're in. Yeah, we can build our way up. That'll be fine. Well, not necessarily you need to build, but we can destroy our way up. Because we do need a little bit of dirt. We are a little low on dirt. Well, low compared to what I'm used to having on dirt, I should say. Oh, I can take you, can I? Once I'm done with your quest one? I don't know, what is it? What do you want? Bones and flame ruby. I think I got flame ruby somewhere. Yeah, whoop that ass. Whoop that ass. Hold on, I'm busy whooping ass. Can't you tell? Can't you see I'm over here whooping ass? What I tell you about disrupting me when I'm whooping ass? Alright, another one down. Gotta take Big Junior over here. Oh, kiting it. Kiting it. God, so much damage, man. That's a ridiculous amount of damage. I ain't gonna lie to you. So we have a few things we can go do now. We have a few quests we can turn in. I'm gonna zip back to the landing portal and go the other direction. I don't know if I found everybody here or not yet. One person I haven't. I'm not really, you know, I'm not gonna be too sad about missing one person if I don't find him. I'm not gonna look super hard for him because we already got 2 quests here that we can achieve, and I'm down with that. And there's still the other quest we need to achieve at the other location, which I need to do, and I would like to do as well. Yep, you go. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything over there. Doesn't really look like there's anything over there. There are sometimes the minor dudes that are like really low. Like you have to usually go pretty far below most of these island surfaces to get to them. So I'm pretty cool with calling this with these people. I'm gonna head back and start building the tools required for them. See what we can make happen. What we have on us, what we need to find.